Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. First, disconnect your Dyson SV14 from the power source. Safety first. Start by removing the dust bin. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body of the vacuum. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. Take your time here, as you'll need to gently lift the cover off to avoid damaging any clips. Once the top cover is off, locate the motor housing. You will see several screws that hold it in place. Carefully unscrew them using your Torx screwdriver. Remember to keep track of these screws, as you'll need them for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently pull the motor housing away from the vacuum. This may require a bit of wiggling, but be patient. Now, it's time to remove the old motor. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling the connectors apart. If you encounter resistance, ensure you are not pulling on any wires. Once the motor is free, take a moment to clean the internal components of your vacuum. A clean vacuum works more efficiently, and this is a great opportunity to get rid of any dust and debris. When you have your new motor, align it properly in the motor housing. Reattach the wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. If you don't have the tools or confidence to perform this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. Next, carefully reinsert the motor housing back into the vacuum body. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is tightened, it's time to replace the top cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. If you find yourself overwhelmed at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We provide quotes before repair with no calls or travel required. Finally, reattach the dust bin and plug in your vacuum. Power it on to ensure that the new motor is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, please consult a professional. However, with the right tools and careful steps, replacing the motor in your Dyson SV14 can be a straightforward task. Remember, if you prefer a hassle-free experience, we are just a call away to help with your vacuum needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.